Hi there, meteorologist Ed Valley here, taking a look at the Midwest and Ohio Valley. John is away today. We have a diverse situation out there today. We have temperatures in the 70s and 60s in the plains. We have 40s and 50s kind of in the central areas, and then north it's still cold. It's still winter, temperatures in the 20s. And I think you can see kind of the progression here. You can see the clouds slowly seeping into the I-90 corridor, and those will push southward in time. And it's going to be a diverse day today. That's really all we can say. And not much happening with these clouds, maybe a sprinkle or two. Not a huge deal. Tonight, we got a little piece of energy moving across, maybe a period of light snow in South Dakota, parts of Iowa, in southwest Minnesota late tonight, early tomorrow. And you notice that weakens pretty quickly. And it's really only an inch or two of snow, maybe 3, in the heaviest, most persistent banding. Now, for the rest of us, not much happening. Like I said, Thursday's dry for the most part, maybe a few stray snow showers far north. Thursday night, pretty dry into Friday as well, but that's about it, because you see this stuff back west. That's the beginnings of our very impactful winter/early spring system for the weekend. Okay, so let's talk about that. Like I said, Friday, you're good. I think Friday, though, you see these tightly packed isobars. I have a feeling we're going to have some wind gusts. Yeah, there you go. Wind gusts in the 15 to 35 mile an hour range in the plains and Midwest. A little lighter back to the west, out of the southwest. And as we get into Friday night, you're going to see that storm system really getting its act together in the plains. The winds are going to kick up, and eventually we're going to see precipitation break out late Friday night and early Saturday, mostly in the form of rain ahead of it. So you're going to notice this sprawling area of low pressure right here, right? To the south and east of it, you're going to get a southerly and westerly flow. To the north of it, the opposite, right? So where this exactly goes is very important, because it's going to dictate who sees severe weather and rain to the south, snow and ice to the north. Okay, so you're going to notice, based on this track, going right through the heart of Iowa, showers and thunderstorms. Iowa, Missouri, Kansas, late in the day Saturday, snow to the north. We can look at our severe weather parameters, and guess what? We actually have some instability here in early March. So a couple thunderstorms, some of those could be strong across parts of Iowa, and maybe even southern Minnesota here later in the day on Saturday. And then as we get into Saturday night, all of this moves east. A period of showers and thunderstorms, eastern Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, Michigan. But it gets out of here pretty quickly. Most of the afternoon Sunday is dry. Total precip between now and Sunday looks like this. Our friends in Nebraska and Kansas who need the rain, not really going to see any. To the north, 3 to 6 inches of snow. To the south and east, a quarter to about a half an inch from Iowa eastward into the Ohio Valley. So we're not going to say no to moisture, but do know that not a lot of areas who need it are going to get it. Now, that's only storm number 1. As we get into Sunday night and Monday, another storm system could bring some light snow to the plains, rain and snow to the Ohio Valley here for Monday. Other models are further north, so I wouldn't be shocked if this trends a little further north from here. You look at the GFS around that time, notice it has precip up into Iowa. So that's just the difference. So we could be looking at some snow in Iowa, rain to the south for Sunday night and Monday, and then we'll dry out once again. That storm delivers another trace to a quarter of an inch in the central plains, more like a half to 2 inches in the eastern belt. But again, our friends who need it are going to miss it. So again, this, while it's good, we're still not seeing the moisture we want in the plains. And that's going to be an issue, I think, moving forward. So we'll continue to monitor all of this. Again, beyond this system, I do believe we're drying out a little bit and staying on the cooler side into the middle and end of next week. No early summer here, despite what we're seeing here today. Okay, so speaking of, let's take a look at those temps. Today, we're in the 80s south and west. But tomorrow, notice the difference. Today, look at Omaha, look at Des Moines. Look at tomorrow. You go from 73 in Omaha to 47 in Omaha. And then for the end of the week, Friday, guess what? Back to 73 in Omaha. So a lot of ups and downs here. And then as we head into the weekend with that storm system around, as you can imagine, ahead of it, we're pushing 70 in a lot of places, supportive of some of those thunderstorms. Much colder to the north, and it everybody cools off Sunday and Monday. We're back to winter by Monday. And then we'll slowly but surely warm it up a little bit here into the middle of next week. But again, With the pattern we're in, should be pretty cold still to the north. So winter is not done yet. We'll keep you updated on everything. We'll have another video for you on Friday.